Ever felt lost in a sea of Photoshop layers, struggling to see the whole picture? This video is going to show you how to unisolate layers, which helps you navigate and bring back the original composite image. First, let's understand how layers work in isolation. Often, you might accidentally or purposefully select one layer, then double-click it. This brings you into isolation mode, showing only that one layer. The rest are hidden. To view those other layers, simply unisolate. To restore all the layers to their original state, the first step is to make sure no layer is isolated. You may see an isolated tag in the title of the Photoshop project. If you find it, move on to the following step. Next, go to the View drop-down menu and uncheck Isolate Layers. This will do the magic, can bring back all your layers exactly how they were. This unisolates all layers and gives you back your original image. Now you can see the composite image again. Layer modes, like normal, multiply, and screen, also affect how layers interact, but unisolate does not change your layer modes. Knowing how to unisolate is a simple shortcut that will help you troubleshoot a complex Photoshop project, improve your workflow, and let you see the true final product.